Hello guys, in this video I will show how to change password on Grammarly. So guys, if you need to change password in your Grammarly account, so just you have to firstly log in your Grammarly account. So open any web browser and just you have to type Grammarly and open this first link. And also guys, you can type this address grammarly.com and you can access this page and log in. Then here click on account. Now here click on create. You will see your sent you password reset instruction in your Gmail inbox. So open email address. Now click on reset password link. You have just requested a password reset for the Grammarly account. Now here set new password. Then click on reset password. So this way you can change your password on Grammarly. Thanks for watching.